The latest phones from OnePlus made their way to North America in January of 2025. On the left, you see the OnePlus 13, and on the right, the one we're about to unbox right now, the OnePlus 13R. It's meant to be a lower-cost flagship smartphone that doesn't really compromise too much on features. Inside the box, you'll find the product documentation, a USB adapter, as well as the power brick. This is a very rare find in phones these days. It'll work best if you pair it with the included USB A to C cable. This has 12 gigs of RAM and a 1.5K 6.78-inch display. It comes in two different finishes, a light color and a dark color. And if you want like a mini review of this, I've been using it for about a month alongside the OnePlus 13. Now, the camera system on the OnePlus 13 is better, but this one is still exceptionally good, particularly with some of the AI photography features that are going to help you with things like image stabilization when you're taking photos and videos, and just getting some really nice effects from portraits and even macro photography. The big impressive part about this for me was the gaming experience. There's 12 gigs of RAM on board this thing, and you can play games at 120 frames per second if you can find a game that you like at 120 FPS. And there's a feature called CPU Scheduler that helps games run with more performance on less power to save you battery. The downsides on this are it doesn't have wireless charging, so if that's a big part of your life, then you might be a little frustrated by that. And as I mentioned, the camera system on OnePlus 13 is better, but I don't know if it's better in a way that most people will notice a difference for the type of photography that they're doing. So if you're looking for an Android phone that doesn't cost a lot, but still is feature-rich, the OnePlus 13R is a strong contender. If you want to learn more about that, you can check out my website, geekingout.ca. But let me know in the comment section your questions and thoughts on the OnePlus 13R.